welcome back to my workshop studio on the other part of my studio. I will talk as how installing the receiver. Okay, here is the receiver. Right, I have channel 1, channel 2, channel 3. These 3 channels, this is the receiver. Okay, wanna do the let's go into first. Here's my motor, brushless motor. Right here I have my plug of my servos in channel 1 in the first, alright, and my EAC is going to put on channel 2, alright, the third. And now let's going to installing. I'm going to put these on the I put the box, right, and so easy. Have that is Allen, okay. One screws Allen onto here and the other, right. um this receiver is a combo, alright. I have my RC transmitter, right. Here is 2.4 gigahertz Traxxas. Have 4 batteries though. A right, turn on here. Okay. That's going to put the brushless motor T10, so faster car. Okay. Slice the ESC and put the motor. Alright. And put the ESC in and put the screws Allen, okay, here, okay, here. Let's go now to use the second Allen, the mini Allen, this, right. Just going to press the screws, okay. Now I'm gonna put my roller here. There's not roller, right, and here's my box. It's new. Alright, let's go into papers. Here it is. It's going to have the charger. This is the battery, mini battery, and 7.2 volts. Alright, and I'm gonna put in the other side of this my RC. Alright, that's going to open and open. You charge this battery in 6 hours, right? but I don't charge this battery. I don't have the tires, right? And turn on. Okay, let's go now. Turn on the transmitter. Here is the light. Turn on the EAC. It's waterproofing, alright. Show touch here. And that is so easy. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video, comment, and see you in the other video before on board and review. See ya.